Hi guys! Merhaba millet! Are you ready to count to 10 in Turkish? If so, here we go! One, bir, two, iki, three, üç, four, dört, five, beş, six, altı, seven, yedi, eight, sekiz, nine, dokuz, ten, on. Let's count one more time. One, bir, two, iki, three, üç, four, dört, five, beş, six, altı, seven, yedi, eight, sekiz, nine, dokuz, ten, on. One last time. Bir, iki, üç, dört, beş, altı, yedi, sekiz, dokuz, on. That's simple. From now on, you know how to count to 10 in Turkish. Thanks for counting with me. Enjoy your day. Esen kalın.